Today, Talbros is proud of its rich and successful history of over 5 decades. Their experience and commitment to quality has earned them the global customer trust. Talbros believes in achieving excellence through performance, persistence, and sustenance. The company is backed by a professional team of engineers and technocrats. What makes the company unique is the level of synergy which connects and streamlines all the processes right from the raw material stage to the finished product. Today, the Talbros brand is synonymous with cutting-edge technology products like gaskets, heat shields, forgings, chassis systems, steering and suspension components, rubber molded components and rubber hoses. Talbros has multiple manufacturing facilities in India. A few of them are Talbros Automotive Components Limited at Faridabad, QH Talbros Limited, Gurgaon, Talbros Forging Division at Bawal, Magneti Marelli Talbros, Faridabad, Talbros Marugo Rubber at Manesar, and Nippon Leakless Talbros, Bawal. Today, Talbros is a technology and customer-driven company focusing on research and development. Talbros has a strong research and development focus. Their R&D centers showcase their design capabilities, including endurance, static, and simulated environment testing. The qualified and experienced team brings on board innovative and cost-effective design solutions. Design and engineering. With years of hands-on experience in design, validation, and testing, Talbros is uniquely poised to offer robust automotive solutions for the tough Indian terrain. VAVE are offered to clients for mutual benefit and improvement of the final product. Manufacturing. What began in 1956 is today one of India's most successful automotive groups, with an annual sales turnover of over 2,000 crore rupees or 333 million US dollars and employing over 4,000 people. With a product range that includes gaskets and heat shields, steering and suspension components, forgings, chassis systems, rubber molded components and rubber hoses. Talbros manufacturing prowess spans across 8 product businesses and 15 facilities, delivering more than 8,000 products to worldwide customers. Talbros is the most preferred brand of choice in the Indian automotive aftermarket and leaders in gaskets as well as steering and suspension components. Not to miss that the global technology landscape is changing, and so are the customers. Talbros Group is instrumental in constantly upgrading technologies used in its manufacturing units across India to keep pace with advancement and enhance customer satisfaction. Talbros plants are strategically located near the automotive hubs of Pune, Chennai, and Delhi NCR, catering to the OEMs nearby. Quality. At Talbros, the meaning of precision goes much beyond accuracy. It is the consistency with which the men, method, material, and machines coordinates seamlessly at every Talbros production unit. The company strongly embosses its every product with superior quality, long life, and the ability to function under extreme conditions with near zero failure. Partnership and collaboration. The reputation earned by the company is attracting global giants like Nippon Leakless, Magneti Marelli, Marugo Rubber, Sanwa Packing, and Musashi. Product range. Talbros became a legend due to its product range, gaskets, steering and suspension products, forgings, heat shields, chassis systems, rubber hoses, and rubber molded components.
The inspiring story of Talbros Group is marked by innovative ideas, hard work and dedication. It's a story of people thinking way ahead of time and working collectively to realize the goals they set out to achieve despite the challenges coming their way. What began in 1956 is today one of India's most successful automotive group with an annual sales turnover of over rupees 2,000 crores, 330 million US dollars, and employing 4,600 people. With a product range that includes gaskets, heat shields, steering and suspension components, forgings, chassis system, rubber molded components, and rubber hoses, Talbros' manufacturing prowess spans across 8 distinct product verticals, 15 facilities, as well as India's largest Mercedes-Benz dealership for passenger cars. The group's astonishing growth over a period of 5 decades can be attributed to its emphasis on continuously expanding its product offering in tune with the technological advancement in the automotive industry, world-class quality and attention to detail. Over the years, the group has entered into collaborations and built long-lasting partnerships with multinational companies. In sync with its vision, the group invested in strengthening its own research and development capabilities to better serve the automotive industry. All this would not have been possible without the active collaboration between our employees, OE customers, and channel partners. Respect being the foremost group value, we believe that respecting environment, customers, vendors, and cultures has helped us to create an ecosystem which enhances and sustains our business. Winning together, another core value which positively engages our passionate Talbros team, and for me, the team means together everyone achieves more. Excellence, a value which propels us forward, striving to go an extra mile and exceed expectations, not only meet them so that the customer's engagement with our brand fulfill their demand in a meaningful way. Our vision at Talbros Group is to be a significant player in the domestic and international automotive industry by being a brand of choice for all our customers and continuously enhancing employees' satisfaction and stakeholders' value. Thank you.
Talbros, where it is today, is due to the excellence of its product offerings, commitment to quality, attention to detail, and professional approach. Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic.